I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've forgotten your Reddit password, don't worry. Here's how to recover it step by step. Step 1. Go to the Reddit login page. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the GAMP recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link below the password entry field. Click on it to start the recovery process. Step 3. Enter your username or email. You will be prompted to enter either your Reddit username or the email associated with your account. Fill in the required information and click Send Email. Step 4. Check your email. Go to your email inbox and look for an email from Reddit. This email will contain a link to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Reset your password. Click the link in the email and you will be directed to a page where you can enter a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you can remember. After entering it, click Change Password. If you don't receive the email, it might be due to a typo in your username or email address. Double check that you entered the correct information in Step 3. I hope this helps you get back into your Reddit account quickly.